What is fuel injector in a car? A fuel injector is a device in an internal combustion engine that sprays fuel into the engine in a fine mist so it can mix with air and burn efficiently. Simple explanation. Think of it like a nozzle that sprays fuel, like a perfume spray. It is controlled electronically by the engine control unit, ECU. The injector opens and closes very quickly to deliver just the right amount of fuel. Then fuel mixes with air and goes to combustion chamber, where it burns to power the engine. Why fuel injectors are important? They give better fuel economy. They help reduce emission. They make the engine run smoother and more efficiently than old systems like carburetors. Fuel injector components. These are all that components which is used in fuel injector to operate it, and then we will study it. Components of fuel injectors are 1. Tappet, top section. 2. Plunger, middle shaft. 3. Injector body. 4. Poppet valve and control body, upper right section. 5. Nozzle group. 6. Check valve. 7. Tip, bottom end. 8. Stop and guide body. We will learn about these components in brief in next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for informative videos.